Alright. How's it going, everybody? I'm the Lexa Gamer. Welcome to Resident Evil 4 Chainsaw Demo. I have been testing. I've been trying to get this OBS to play nicely with this game. I think, hopefully, I got it to work. Yeah, so I don't know if I mentioned this, but I configured more things with OBS, so you shouldn't be able to hear my computer running too loud in the background and all that jazz, or mouse clicks and touching keyboards. How's everybody doing? It's been a while. I've been uploading older videos, so that's why I say. Alright, so a little bit of background. Okay, slow down. Background of me and the Resident Evil 4 Resident Evil. I've only played the remake of 1, remake of 2. I played the original 1, played part of the original RE2, played a little bit of RE3, original RE3. That's about it. So yeah, I tried playing this before, but for some reason it did not take too kindly to this, so we will definitely see how this is gonna end up. So take 10 or whatever. Okay, I'll see you guys after the cutscene, and we'll get started. Yep.
September 30th, 1998. It's a day I'll never forget. The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella. Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky. I was asked later to join a top-secret government program. Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me. But at least I kept my mind off everything. If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain, even for a second. This time, it can be different. It has to.
Alright, let's read this. It's been 6 years since Leon S. Kennedy survived the Raccoon City incident, an unprecedented biological catastrophe caused by the Umbrella Corporation. Having distinguished himself as a U.S. Special Agent, he is tasked with locating the president's missing daughter. The search has brought him to an isolated village in Europe, where intel suggests the kidnapped girl was last sighted. Even Leon's past trauma could not prepare him for the nightmare, the insanity he would find here. I'm praying that my computer can run this. OBS, I need to run. We'll find out the hard way, I guess. If I start glitching out, I'll know. Alright. Okay, everything's working fine. I got ray tracing on, high settings. Cool. Yes, finally. Y'all don't know how long I have been doing this, trying to get OBS to work with this game. Maybe I'll work with Hogwarts Legacy now. Thank God. Alright, so hopefully, as always, I'm playing with the keyboard and mouse this time. Hopefully you guys might hear a couple of clicks when I'm talking. Hopefully it's not too bad. It doesn't bother you guys. And also my computer, you should not hear my computer if it does start to run too loud. Hopefully it doesn't. And if you hear clicks, I'm so sorry. I gotta configure this. You're gonna hear some clicks. Just a trying. It's just a demo. I'm trying. Where am I going? Camera. That's okay. Can't go back there. All right. I'm just so happy this game I can get OBS to work
How
because
far could he have gone?
I don't know. Hello? Oh. No.
Sorry to barge in like this.
The dude's got the bloodshot eyes. Why are you talking to him?
Busco a un policía. Vino aquí?
God. He just went. Sight. Okay, it's about to get real.
This is not good.
Alright. What we got here? Soup? Chicken?
Man, that stinks.
That ain't no Chef Boyardee. That's Chef Boyardee. I'm sorry. Okay, so now we got the key to unlock this Hunter's Lodge key, the key to Hunter's Lodge basement. Yes, I want to use this. Cool. I will say, even though I know that... Oh, that's too dark. I gotta... Leon, can you just... Oh, now he does. Oh. Because I know with the original RE4, it changed... What's the word I'm looking for? It changed a lot, immensely. That's the word, immensely, because we went from RE1 to RE3. That was more of a survival horror, and this was more of a action. There's...
Hey,
He's not alive.
I read you.
I don't.
What's your situation? What the hell's going on?
See how Largo... What is it called? I don't know. Is there a map? If you become lost, you can check your current position and objectives on the map. If you have a treasure map, you'll be able to see the locations of hidden valley. That's useful. Why are you telling me to aim? Oh, no. That's probably Kool-Aid he has all over his mouth. I'm already getting nervous. Could be ketchup. Was that something that was glowing, or was that...
What was that?
I'm doing this in the morning where it's light. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh. Why it's
Wait.
no. Oh no. No way. I'm out of
Keeps getting
bullets. Can I He looks very mad. That is. He is mad. You know what? Just for once more. Ay. Okay. Don't get up. I got no more bullets. Dad's angry. Oh, come on, man. I got no ammo. Oh, space or something. Hey. Nope. Huh. Why am I aiming? I'm out of ammo. Can I get out of here? Yeah, I'm sorry. Is there another one? Yeah. Y'all stay down. What's in here? I could use that. I could use that. Ugh.
Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
The President's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up.
Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are... Gotta go. Talk later. I'll let myself out.
Use you. No! Yep. Who? Who? Nope, he's still. Okay, they just evaporate in a mist. Who am I to judge? Leon sound like he sound like he getting mad. Why do these guys sound like they're all having like massive, like they are constipated? No, that's not nice. Oh my god, don't do that. See? What happens? What happens? You got me in my necks, I'll blow your head off. Leon, don't mess around. I'll take that red herb too. What's you got? Flash grenade. Okay. Alright, I hope everybody's enjoying the video so far. I am enjoying playing it. I feel like... Oh, those... Huh. Those ain't decoration. God. Yeah, I think those are real heads. If y'all think I can only deal, I couldn't even deal with 2. How am I supposed to deal with all those? There's a police officer. Shit. No more. Please tell me there's another way of going around this, because there's no way I can. Yep. Why didn't I just get this herb and make it stronger? Whatever. Can I go in here? Okay. Of course, you need a key. 500. This guy was wealthy. Can I go? Yo, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Here we go.
No! Yo, Grandma! I don't want to. Why? Run! Yep. Ah. Y'all throwing axes? Oh my god.
break already.
Oh my god. Y'all don't like tourists, do ya? Ooh, more ammo. Go, 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 go. Bah. Oh. Ah. Ooh. What are these guys doing? Why? Oh. Where's, I don't care about none of y'all anymore. Where's the chainsaw? Thanks for the egg, I guess. Go. God. Get the ammo. Oh. Yeah, yeah. No. What am I doing here? Am I surviving? Excuse me. Horse. What's that? Yep. Ah. Thanks. Move. Oh, that's how you open the inventory. Nope. Son of a... Oh my God.
You gotta be kidding me.
I feel ya. I am just a... Oh my God.
La campana. Hay que obedecerla.
Él nos invoca.
Yeah, assalamu alaikum, my man. What are we going? I get an axe?
Tenemos que servir.
Al Lord Sadler Todopoderoso.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Resident Evil. Whoa. Thank you for having me. 324. Ah, yes. That was the Chainsaw Dome for Resident Evil 4. Yeah, that was actually a lot funner than expected. It actually did scare me more than I thought it would have. My hair looks funky. Thank everybody for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys got a good laugh in. And yeah, I might actually have to get this game. I gotta beat. Ooh, man, that'd be a lot of games I gotta do because I'm still doing Resident Evil, Dead Space, Hogwarts, and then I got this. If I do get this game, wow. And then I still got Kingdom Hearts. I still gotta go through. I don't think I'm gonna do Spider-Man, honestly. I think I'm gonna quit that. I might just do that on my own time. Yeah. So as always, please like the video, and if y'all want, subscribe to the channel, and for more content from me. And if you liked what you saw, probably not. Don't blame ya. Seriously though, subscribe. I need people. Yeah, like, subscribe, and I'll see everybody later. Toodles.